Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for that perfect home away from the hustle and bustle of the city? Look no further. Just 20 minutes from Westgate Hills, Montego Bay, is this lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow. It is reasonably priced and was renovated in 2019. Some features include fully grilled, kitchen with eating area, open living, laundry area, and much more. It sits on 0.21 acres of land and is located in the cool district of Somerton, St. James. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 24 million or US $155,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.